Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody, to all my brothers and sisters. And I'm doing this video because I want to share something. Para lang po awareness din po sa mga, of course, lahat naman tayo is gusto natin to earn extra, no? Even like for example, small amount lang siya, but we want to earn extra. So I received a message on Viber like 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago from my Philippine number. So they are offering like a part-time job, which is all you have to do is just like videos and post on Instagram with different people. So at first, like every task that they're giving me, so they transferred me with a manager in Telegram naman. So she's the one handling me. Like for example, they made a group chat, which is I am wondering why the people can send messages and I cannot send the messages there. So, ayun na, may mga task na siya. So, first night was smooth. And I am like, of course, we are very vigilant. Pero na-scam pa din. Hindi vigilant, no? Aray ko, i-share ko pa to, of course, with my manager. I'm saying na, I'm just liking a post on Instagram. I'm getting 20 pesos each. Proud pa ako. And then, sabi niya, ay, baka pwede rin po ako dyan. Sabi ko, okay, I will check. Buti hindi ko nasabi. Kundi, tawag dito, pati siya na scam. So, this is what exactly happened. So, we are doing task. Magla-like ka lang dun sa page, tapos isi-screenshot mo. Halimbawa, any Instagram that they will share with you, they are sharing profiles of different people, whether it's a celebrity, verified account, normal accounts, with followers and without the followers. So, kada like ko, 20 pesos yon. I will send a screenshot that I really like the photo, and I will send it to her account, to my manager account, yung nagmamanage sa akin on Telegram. Then, they gave, I think, three tasks that time, but the first task was, like, they gave 50 pesos. And I said, okay, I'm gonna do the second task if you give me the 50 pesos. Kasi nga, brainy tayo. Sinad sa akin sa Gcash, tanggap ko. Sabi ko, ay, legit to. So, sabi ko, okay to. Kahit sabi mo 60 pesos per day, pangkain ko na yun dito sa Qatar. So, I did, on the first day, I received 60 pesos. And then the second day, they gave another task, which is I received another 20. But the thing is, it's a bit fishy na kasi nagbigay sila ng Gcash number. Dun sa task na gagawin ko is dapat magbabayad ako ng 600. Ito na, napapaisip na ako. I'm really thinking, like, maybe this is a scam. And then I said, but can I refund the amount? Why am I supposed to pay anything? I thought I will just like the post, the videos, the pictures on Instagram, and that's it. But now you're asking me for 600 pesos. Eto na. Sinabi nila madodoble in 30 seconds. So, ang Inday, nag-send ng screenshot. And they made me download this application na parang mall siya, para siyang shopping app. Tapos gagawa ka ng sarili mong account. Buti na lang, brainy pa din. Hindi ko ginamit yung main na email address ko. So, wait lang nga, may meeting kasi dito. Tapos ako chumichika lang. So, after that, gumawa ako ng email na which is hindi ko masyadong ginagamit na email account. Tapos iniba ko yung password para syempre wala silang makuhang details sa akin, 'di ba? And then after that, they gave another like task, which is order ako ng doon ng singsing. Medyo magulo pa yung explanation nila. So I asked again. I said the amount of like they encircled 2 items, which is I have to like add to cart. Ganong peg siya. So I asked them, I said, why I have to order 2? So it needs to, I'll be giving another fund, which is another 600 because the total is 1,200 and I only have 600 here. And then she was saying, no, you just pick one item. So I did. I paid the 600 and then, ang weird doon kasi wala kang option. Like, I tried to withdraw the money, pero walang dumating. So, talagang ang gagaling. Kasi ang kumakausap sa'yo is like, Pinoy, pero nung nakita mo yung app, Chinese app siya. Like, About Us. Di ba may mga ganun yung mga apps, di ba? Then, I said, give me the refund. I don't want to continue, just give me my refund. Oh, you have to finish the you have to finish the task before you can give. Ito pa. Hindi pa ako natuto dun sa 600. Kasi nga gusto ko mabawi yung 600 ko kahit wala na yung extra na dodoble. Ewan ko na nangyari sa akin kahapon talaga. Kasi never akong nagsali-sali ng ganito. Tapos, they're asking me to make another task, which is I have to send the 200 pesos again on the same name on GCash. So, ang name ni GCash, i-edit ko tong video, ilalagay ko dyan ha, para may idea kayo kung anong name ang ginagamit nila. And tignan natin kung pwede ko malagay yung number. Okay? Para maiwasan ninyo. So, kaya ko siya sinishare kasi baka may mangyari pa sa inyo. At least, yung mga followers ko, pakishare po ito sa iba, no? Kindly share this one because there's a lot of scammers right now. And the last message I sent them was, it's Ramadan right now. And I hope you refund my money. Kung iisipin mo kasi, 800 yun sayang yun. Dito sa Qatar kasi mahal. Like, isang masarap na meal na yun dito. Yung 800 pesos natin. Sa Pinas, ano nang mabibili mo doon? May pang-ulam ka na doon, may kanin ka na kahit sabi mo mga 3 days, 4, 5 days. Kasi medyo mura naman sa Pinas compare dito, no? So, ayun lang. At least, I hope na mas maging vigilant tayo. Let's be vigilant and don't trust anybody. Especially if they are asking na the money, no? So, wag niyo po akong tularan. Dahil gusto kong kumita ng pa-extra-extra 20-20. Ayun, 800 ako. Kumita ako ng 170 from them. And they took the 800 pesos. So, tumubo pa sila. So, yun lang po. Ingat-ingat po tayo kasi hindi na natin talaga masabi ngayon ng panahon. Ang gagaling na po ng scammers. Yan lang po.